Measure and cut a wood cross support, approximately 2 by 6 inches, to fit between the wall studs. Attach 4 corner brackets with screws to the wood cross support. Prepare and solder inlet copper pipe and fittings so no soldering is made within 6 inches of the valve body to avoid heat damage to internal components. Wrap Teflon pipe thread sealing tape onto the male threads of the hot/cold inlet connections of the valve body. Wrap Teflon pipe thread sealing tape onto the male threads of the nipple with cap for the outlet connection. Screw the inlet pipes and fittings onto the valve body inlets and the outlet nipple with cap into the body outlet, then tighten firmly with a wrench. Pay attention to the hot and cold inlets marked on the valve body. Determine the valve position in the wall and mark the back wall vertically and the studs horizontally. Insert the wood cross support against back wall between the studs, check for level and mark the valve center line to align with the vertical lines on the back wall and horizontal lines on the studs. Remove wood cross support to mark the lines on it and insert it against the back wall between the studs. Align vertical/horizontal markings on the cross support with back wall and studs. Check for level and secure the wood cross support with corner brackets and screws to the studs. Position the valve body against the wood cross support, align it with the vertical and horizontal center line markings. Mark the center lug on back of valve body and drill a 3/4 by 3/8 deep hole in the wood cross support. Attach the valve with pipes and fittings to the wood cross support with copper tube strap clips and screw, so they will be aligned and perpendicular to the finished wall. Additional cross support, brackets, clips/clamps or straps may be used, if necessary, to secure the piping. Check the body and the all-thread nipple are level and straight. Complete the piping installation, pay attention to the hot and cold inlets marked on the valve body, make sure the spout outlet is capped, then turn on the water to check for leaks, and attach the tube mudguard to protect the body, all thread and broach.